Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I am now ready to pull the winners of my giveaway. So 27 of y'all entered my giveaway. I want to say thank you. I truly appreciate you, and y'all just all made it all worth it. And if you did a video response, you got an extra entry, so you already put in here. I got it all folded up, and I am ready to pick the two winners. So I will not look. And we're gonna draw the second winner first. Okay, so let me pick one. Okay, I got one right here. So second place winner is Sunflower Dragon Queen, Tanya. You are my second place winner. Congrats, hon. Yay. Okay, well, let's pick winner one. Who wins first place? Okay. Okay, I think I got one. Okay, we got one right here. Heather C. Crafts, you're my first place winner, hon. Yay! Heather, you followed me from the beginning, and I followed you from the beginning. That is so awesome. So I need you both to email me your addresses and let me know that you saw that you won. And I'll get them out on the 3rd. And I'll send y'all tracking. Okay, guys? Thank you, everybody. Y'all made it wonderful for me for my birthday. I appreciate y'all. Okay, love you guys. Bye.